Hey, what is up, YouTubers and YouTubies? It's your boy HG, and we back up in this thing like we belong here. Now, before we get the video started, I know why y'all are here. Y'all are here for these bad boys. But before we get into these, I want to talk about the up-and-coming Jordan brand releases for the month of November and December, as well as Nike and Adidas. I mean, there are so many pair of shoes coming out between now and next month that there won't be anything left for Christmas shopping. I mean, somebody's going to have to get cut off the Christmas list if indeed you're going for all of these pairs that are dropping. We're talking about the Jordan 1 Bloodline to add to a plethora of Jordan 1s that have released this year. You got the DB14s along with the DB pack that's dropping December 7th. You've got the white and gray Jordan 12s that are dropping next month. And you've got my favorite, the Jordan Bred 11s. Those are one of my grails. I'm talking about one of the shoes that got me into collecting Jordans in the first place, along with the 13s and the 12s. Those are my three top Jordans ever, period. I don't care what nobody else got to say. I love those Jordans. I did have a pair of Jordan Breds back in the day, but later on I found out they were fugazi. Your boy got jugged, man. I'm talking about finessed. I had a fake pair. And it happens to everybody. And if you say you never got a pair of fake Jordans and you collect shoes, you're lying. Stop it. Stop. You've gotten before. But like I said, with them coming out December 14th, which is not exactly Christmas like before, but they are dropping in the month of December, it gives me an opportunity to finally get an authentic pair. And if I can, best believe your boy is gonna 2 times that thing. That's right, I'm gonna double up. So somebody definitely gonna get cut out of Christmas gifts this year, because at the price tag of $220, they going straight for the hip on your boy. Let me know down in the comment section below what y'all think about all of these, releases coming this month and next month. Is it way too many? Are they doing way too much? Is it, the right amount? Are you loving it because it's giving y'all the opportunity to, at least get one pair of Jordans this year? Let me know down in the comment section below what you all think. Right here, what y'all are here for, getting into it. But before we do, I want to let y'all know to check out my last review on these Jordan Fearless 1s. Get down in the comment section and let me know what y'all think about that. Hit the like button, the dislike button, whatever y'all want to do. Just check that video out and give it some good watch time. I guarantee you all won't be disappointed. Now, into this shoe right here. If you all are collectors, you all are very much familiar with this box. It is the black lid with the Jumpman and the Flight with the cement box. It is the Jordan 4 What The, and I know y'all are very familiar with that if you all have been keeping up with Jordan releases this year. A little bit different on the sizing tag. It is in my size, a men's 10, but it also gives you a women's sizing as well, which is an 11.5. Now, one thing I noticed with my shoes, and it might be different for everybody else, is that mine is in a slight green tint. And I don't know if the camera picked it up, it might have picked it up as black, but my pair in particular are in a green tint as if the printing wasn't all good. It wasn't done correctly. They are in the retail US price of $200. I didn't pay $200. I had a coupon from my Foot site. I did hit on another pair from Foot Locker. They were a size 9.5, and it looks to be that the tag is completely black on these pairs, so it might just be my pair with the tag. And I also hit for another pair of another size, but these were for a friend. They didn't exactly decide to get them, so I'm stuck with a 9.5. I think I'm going to take them back because I can't wear them. But yeah, getting into the shoe, this is going to be a honest reaction because I have not seen these yet. I'm opening these with you guys. So y'all seeing it for the first time will be my first time seeing it. So let's get into it. Throw the lid down there and peel the paper back. And ooh, wait, let me look at them. Get a better look. Ooh, wee. Golly, hold on. Let me take the other pair out. And just hold your horses. Don't be selfish. Y'all gonna see them. Jeez. Right there, the Jordan 4, what the? Now I will let y'all know, before we get into it and start looking at it, I am not a supercomputer or anything like that, the aficionado of Jordan 4s. Growing up, I did not like the Jordan 4s. They were not on my radar as good Jordans. I guess I started liking them as I got older, but I definitely like these right here. And let me take out the shoe trees. You got the standard shoe trees, and I hope it focuses. Let me make sure it focuses. There we go. You got the standard cardboard shoe tree. So if your shoe tree looks like that, you have nothing to worry about. And I know y'all might be saying, well, this is a GR. Why would I have to worry about my pairs being fake? Because there are fakes everywhere. GRs, limited, what have you. There are fakes everywhere. And whoa, wait a minute. Ooh. This leather quality is buttery. I'm talking about super soft buttery, as Mike Rich would say. Shout out to Mike Rich. And I don't know if it'll pick it up on the camera. Yeah, there we go. Look how soft that is. Super soft. I'm talking about thick bit soft, if you know what I'm saying. I mean, don't act like y'all don't know what I'm talking about. Y'all know what I'm saying. But if I gotta say, these are probably the best Jordans this year in terms of quality. What? Pump your brakes. I didn't say the best Jordans of this year, period. I said in terms of quality. So let's get that straight. Let's not get that misconstrued. Now putting this shoe down, and we'll get into this shoe. Right off the bat, you notice the black wings with the red waffles right there. And a nod to the OG, which seems to be the thing with all of these Jordans that are releasing. The OG theme, they've got the OG hang tag with the Nike Air on it, which is slightly different. And anything that, you know, I review on this shoe, if y'all catch something that I didn't catch, or something might be slightly off, let me know down in the comment section below. But normally with these hang tags, they're a slightly thicker hang tag with a Jumpman in the center and Air up underneath it. This is a thin hang tag with Nike Air, and like I said, that is a nod to the OG style. On the inside, you got the black wing with the gray waffle. And wait a minute, let me see. Okay, yeah, it's different for the medial and the outside on both shoes. So yeah, I'm bound to miss something. But like I said, if I miss something, comment section below. You got the blue tongue with the blue tab for the sport blues, I believe that is. I think this side represents the cement fours, if I'm not mistaken, and this side represents the bread fours. It's got the black backing up under the netting. It's got the cement for midsole, as well as the black here, the gray here, the black, red, and white outsole, and on the insole, it's got a black insole with red Nike Air on the inside, and I don't know if it will focus on that, but we're gonna try to get you a bit of that. And yeah, I guess it's being difficult right now. Over to the right shoe. It comes with extra laces, which are really dope. I think I'm gonna switch out these for the white laces for the black laces, because I think I like the black laces better. It's got the cement for heel tab with the bread tongue, I think. It's got the cement for wing on the inside with the black waffle, and the sport blue wing on the outside with the blue waffles, the blue backing up under the netting, and it's got the gray and white outsole. I think that's from the cement 4, and it's got the red and black insole on this shoe. Let me see. Oh, and on the laces, it's got a number. Let me see if I can get this to focus on the number. I'm sorry, y'all. Let me see. Yeah, I can't get it to focus, but it's got the number 4364 on the laces. If y'all, and it's different numbers on each lace tip. And I don't know, that might be like a styling code thing, but if y'all know what that is, go ahead and put it down in the comment section below. What I will say about these is, I don't know what happened, because the hype for these were like insane before release date. And then come release date, the hype just kind of died. Because there are a ton of these left online. There are even pairs left on the NBA store site in just about full size runs. I don't know if Nike and Jordan Brand overestimated the hype, or if the hype up until release day just fell off that bad. But you can still get them online. Like I said, Foot Locker, Foot Action, Sneakers, the NBA store. And I don't suggest you sleep on this shoe. I mean, this is some damn good quality. Excuse the expression, but yeah, this is some really good quality. I mean, look at that. I think it might be across the board. I think the quality is the same on those 9.5s, but do not sleep on these, because these are going to be those pair of Jordans that if you do sleep on, you will surely regret sleeping on these. Now, because these are a white pair of shoes, and we all know, given the winter time, fall time, how easy it is to get white dirty, I'm gonna hit them with my Jason Markk Repel. And no, I'm not sponsored by Jason Markk. I wish I was sponsored by, right now, hell, I'd take even Burger King to sponsor this bad boy, you know. But Jason Markk's Repel, you spray it one time, let it dry over 6 hours, spray it again, and you're good to go. You won't have to worry about any stains, whether it be ketchup, mustard, dirt, mud, whatever. You won't have to worry about any of that, and you'll be all set to go. Let me know down in the comment section below what you think about these up and coming releases. Did you go for a pair of the What the 4 Jordan 4s? Did you sleep? Are you think they're gonna sit and go on sale and you're gonna grab them later on down the line? Check out my video for these Jordan 1 Fearless. Be on the lookout for more videos, because I got a ton of videos coming and I want y'all to see. I got, oh gosh, boxes on boxes, packages. I've even got packages waiting for me to pick up later on. These are older releases, so I'm thinking about coming up with a series every Thursday called Throwback Thursday, where y'all see my views and opinions on these shoes. Let me know what y'all think about that. So yeah, look out for those. Before I go, I want to leave y'all with a message. Keep fighting for what y'all believe in. Don't let anything stop you, and dream hungry. Till next time, peace.